Jai Sriman Whenever that whatever we propose, if it gets disposed, you have to understand Paramatma is playing a major role. It is all Paramatma Sankalpam. Ho Lakshmana, whenever whatever that we plan is not being done, and whenever there are few things happening which we could not even imagine, all that happens because of Paramatma's Sankalpam. Ho Lakshmana, great rishis like Vishwamitra, all those Brahmarshis, great rishis also happen to fell off from their great tapasya because of Paramatma's Sankalpam. Ho Lakshmana, do not worry just because that I am not getting the power of this kingdom. Don't even think about my discomfort. I don't feel any discomfort in going to forest. Ho Lakshmana, I am the one who can be adjusted to any kind of circumstances. You all will see, before I leave from here, I am going to be getting my own water. I won't use any of my maids or any of servants. I will get my water from the well and I do snanam and I take diksha for my vanavasam while everyone is witnessing. I am going to be leaving this country, this kingdom, and going to go to Aranyavasam. Rajyam va vanavaso va vanavaso mahodayaha. This kingdom and vanavasam both are same to me. Nothing is inferior, nothing is superior. In fact, I feel very good and comfort in staying vanavasam because there won't be all these politics of the kingdom. Ho Lakshmana, that is why just don't think and don't worry about me. When Rama saying all this, Lakshmana started getting so much of distressed, and one side when he thinks about Sri Ramachandra Swami's resolution in following righteous steps, Lakshmana feeling happy. But on other hand, whatever the injustice is happening to Rama, Lakshmana is unable to digest that is why he is suppressing his anger, suppressing his grief, and he is completely shaking and breaking. Tadatu badhva bhrukutim bhruvor madhye nararshabha nisasvasa mahasarpo balastha ivaroshitaha. Lakshmana, how he is looking, he is bringing his both eyelids together with so much of anger. He is breathing heavily just like a big serpent. And also he is so much angry just like a huge lion. Then as and how a big elephant shakes his big trunk, like that Lakshmana is shaking his elbow and moving his both eyes here and there and around, revolving his eyes, and from a sharp corner from his eyes he is looking at Rama. Agra Akshna Vikshamaanastu. While looking at Rama, he is saying that, Ho Rama. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. రామ రామ దశరథ రామ 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 దశరథ రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే సీతారామ హే హే సీతారామ. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.